In the landscape of business management software, both Sage Intacct and SAP are recognized names, offering solutions that aim to streamline financial and operational processes. For businesses navigating the complexities of project management, understanding the nuances between these platforms is crucial in making informed decisions. So, is Sage Intacct similar to SAP? While both Sage Intacct and SAP fall under the broad umbrella of business management software, particularly enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, they cater to different segments of the market and possess distinct characteristics. To put it simply, thinking of them as direct competitors across all business sizes and needs would be an oversimplification. Sage Intacct, acquired by the Sage Group, is primarily a cloud-native accounting and financial management platform. Its core strength lies in providing sophisticated financial functionalities, including general ledger, accounts payable and receivable, cash management, order management, purchasing, and robust reporting and analytics. It's designed with a focus on mid-sized, high-growth businesses that require advanced financial capabilities and the flexibility of a cloud-based system. Key characteristics of Sage Intacct include its best-of-breed cloud architecture, meaning it was built specifically for the cloud rather than adapted from an on-premise system. This offers advantages in terms of accessibility, scalability, and ease of integration with other cloud-based applications. Sage Intacct is also known for its strong emphasis on financial intelligence and reporting, providing users with real-time insights into their financial performance through customizable dashboards and reports. Furthermore, it boasts a flexible and open API, application programming interface, facilitating seamless integration with other business systems like CRM, customer relationship management, platforms such as Salesforce. On the other hand, SAP, systems, applications, and products in data processing, is a much broader and more comprehensive suite of enterprise software solutions. While it includes strong financial management capabilities, SAP's offerings extend far beyond accounting to encompass areas like supply chain management, manufacturing execution, customer relationship management, human resources, and more. SAP solutions are generally designed to cater to larger enterprises and global organizations with complex operational needs. SAP offers both cloud and on-premise deployment options, providing businesses with flexibility in how they implement and manage their systems. Its strength lies in its highly customizable and integrated nature, capable of supporting intricate business processes across various departments. SAP is known for its extensive functionality and scalability, able to handle large volumes of data and complex organizational structures. However, this comprehensive nature can also translate to a more complex implementation process and potentially higher costs compared to Sage Intacct. Thinking from a project management perspective, the similarities and differences become clearer. Both platforms can contribute to effective project management by providing financial visibility, resource management capabilities, to varying degrees, and reporting tools. However, their primary focus and strengths differ. Sage Intacct's relevance to project management. Strong financial accounting for projects. It excels in tracking project costs, revenues, and profitability with detailed financial reporting. This allows project managers to monitor budgets closely and make informed financial decisions. Project billing and invoicing. Sage Intacct streamlines the process of billing clients for project work, including time and expense tracking and generating accurate invoices. Integration with project management tools. Its open API allows integration with dedicated project management software, enabling a seamless flow of financial data related to projects. Real-time financial insights. Project managers can gain immediate visibility into the financial health of their projects through dashboards and customizable reports. SAP's relevance to project management. End-to-end project lifecycle management. SAP offers modules specifically designed for project management, covering planning, scheduling, resource allocation, execution, and monitoring. Integration across business functions. Project management within SAP is tightly integrated with other business areas like finance, procurement, and HR, providing a holistic view of project impact and resource availability. Resource management and planning. SAP provides robust tools for managing project resources, including personnel, equipment, and materials, ensuring optimal allocation and utilization.